Hey guys, get ready with me for school. I already took off my eye patches and the face mask that I did in the last video. But now I actually have to start getting ready and stuff. But guys, I do not want to go to school today whatsoever because I don't know. Today I don't really know what we're doing other than actually I really don't know what we're doing because everybody comes today, like every single person, because we usually do like half the classes every day, but today everybody's coming in, which I'm excited about because I get to see all my friends and but yeah. As some of you guys know, I have a twin brother, and if you didn't know that, well, now you know. I have a twin brother named Preston, and he's not in I was about to say he's not in any of my classes. I don't know, actually. He's not in most of them, that's for sure, because I couldn't see him all day. I don't know if I said this already, but our school gave us no recess this year, which is kind of confusing to me because we're only in 7th grade. And we need to go outside. We need to go outside. Because I cannot stay inside. Especially with all those kids who don't wear deodorant and don't brush their teeth. I'm telling you, they smell so bad that I need the fresh air. I need it, okay? I was trying to watch Mamma Mia last night, and it was Rent or Buy. So I was really disappointed because I was gonna watch both of them. Also, I haven't watched the 5th episode of the Summertime Pretty, so that's fun. But yeah, I'm tired. Okay, I'm pretty sure Conrad is voicing over the rest of it right now. But I don't know. I forget this girl's name, but she's one of my favorite YouTubers. She's not Team Jellyfish, but she's not Team Conrad. And you know what? That's kind of respectful because they made Jeremiah's cheating so bad in the show. Because I'm Team Jeremiah in the books. I don't care what anybody says. So, because, he only cheated once in the book, and in the show it just seems so forced. It doesn't feel like he would do that, to be honest. And, I don't know. Conrad's just kind of being weird to me, staring at... I understand you still like her and stuff, but, it's just, kind of weird to me, that's all. Because, I don't know. Also, Conrad's voice to me is kind of annoying, so I'm not excited for his voiceover part. Because, I don't know. I kind of think that they're all kind of annoying, except for Taylor. Taylor is my endgame. She's my girl, so, you know. I saw this edit, and it was show me 2 clips that are similar. And in one video, it was Frozen, the first movie, and Hans and Anna. And they were our engagement, our marriage. And Elsa was what? Because, they had just met that day. And that's the same reaction that everybody had when Belly and Jer told everybody. Literally. So, I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, then I'll be back. Makeup is done. I did have to redo it once because it was not looking good. But, yeah, that's all for today. Remember that I love you and Jesus loves you. Have a great day.